Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add a cover image for your video on the video player element. By the way, this is only applicable for uploaded videos or videos from Wix's library, not for embedded videos. And here's how you can do it. Click on your video element and go to Cover Image on the action bar above. This small window will appear, and here you can choose from snapshots of your video, or you can upload your very own image to use as your cover image. A window will then open where you can select an image from Wix's media library to serve as your cover image, or you can upload your very own. Simply select the file you want to upload, click on Open, and once it's uploaded, it'll be uploaded under the Site Files menu or category. Click on it and then click on Add to Page, and it will then be your new cover image. Your changes will automatically be saved in the editor as well. So that's it. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.